In this video, we will be discussing how mussel abundance was affected by the Pacific marine heatwave and sea star wasting. Intertidal communities provide recreational and subsistence food for humans and prey for numerous other nearshore consumers. The Pacific marine heatwave, or PMH, resulted in unprecedented positive water temperature anomalies and major disruptions to the marine food web. The sea star wasting, or SSW outbreak, led to large declines in sea star populations. Two research questions were posed for this study. Did mussel abundance change after sea star wasting? Did changes in sea star abundance along with increases in temperature explain the variation in mussel abundance? There were 3 sea star species looked at. All 3 consume mussels: the mottled sea star, the purple sea star, and the sunflower sea star. Shown here is a map of the study area showing the locations of study sites within each of the 4 regions: Katmai National Park and Preserve, shown in red; Kachemak Bay, shown in pink; Kenai Fjords National Park, shown in blue; and Western Prince William Sound, shown in green. In this video, the research team is surveying percent cover. Surveying is done every year as part of the Gulf Watch Alaska Long-Term Research and Monitoring Program. Mussel and sea star abundance have been monitored annually since 2005. Temperature has been monitored since between 2007 and 2012 at the various locations. Percent cover references the amount of mussels covering the surface of the rocks and/or ground in the transect. This photo was taken while the research team was surveying percent cover. Other things that were measured include mussel densities, sizes, and bed widths. In addition, temperature loggers were used to monitor intertidal temperature. Looking back at those research questions, did mussel abundance change after sea star wasting? Yes, mussel percent cover increased in the mid-intertidal at all regions and in the low intertidal at Katmai National Park, Kachemak Bay, and Kenai Fjords National Park. Did changes in sea star abundance along with increases in temperature explain the variation in mussel abundance? The total number of sea stars explain variation in mussel metrics, but the proportions of the 3 sea star species examined did not. No strong evidence was found for direct effect of temperature on mussels. Generally, increases in mussels lag several years behind the Pacific marine heatwave and sea star wasting. The 2 large-scale disturbances appear to have benefited mussels. As vital components of the nearshore food web, continued monitoring of mussels along with their predators, competitors, and environmental factors is needed to inform ecosystem-based management of nearshore species. Thanks for watching!